Hello everyone! We're going to explore the Offset tool, what it do, how you can use it for your project. So if you guys are either new to the software or just trying to get used to Offset tool, these are all good ways to have an overview of this tool and see what it do. So to start off, we're going to create just a simple shape. I'm going to import a shape from the clip art from 2D vectors, and I double-click on this vector panel 31, for example, and scale it in to our work area. If you open that tool up, you can see we have options to go outwards, inwards, or on both sides. And this also applies to open vectors. So if we draw an open vector, we could do the same thing. So to use this tool, we're going to open it up. Let's say this open vector, we want it to go an offset line to the right of it. Let's say a 0.25 inch. And click offset, you will see that creates a 0.25 inch offset from the previous line. That's for open vectors. Now, if you're using a closed vector, it's going to be either outwards or inwards or both. So if we do outwards, click offset, you will see we get a 0.25 inch shape outside of that shape. And then if we do inwards, you would switch it to inwards and click offset, you will see we get a 0.25 inch shape inside of that shape. Now, if you keep your things organized on layers, you can add a new layer. Let's change the color of it. And with that layer active by being selected, when you offset something new, it will now go on that new layer. So you can see now that offsets on that red layer, and that's a good way to keep things organized if you are offsetting them with this tool. Now you're going to notice a few more options down here. We have Create Sharp Offset Corners. So that's for something like this vector where it has sharp corners. If I were to offset this without that selected and click Offset, you will see it's going to give you round corners on the outside corners. So if you want them round, you can leave that option off. If you want them sharp, we can turn that option on, and then you would get nice sharp corners. So that's an option you have. The next option we have is Delete Original. If I click Delete Original and click Offset, now it just deleted the original and added a brand new one on the layer that's active. So that's an option you can do as well. And then the last option is Select New. So Select New is going to help you if you're trying to offset a lot of shapes at once. I'm going to show you, let's say we wanted to take this shape and offset it a bunch of times, a 1/4 inch outwards. If we did not select that option, you see we currently have this large vector selected, and when we click offset, there's a new one outside of it. And then if you wanted to offset again, you would have to select the new one and click offset, select the new one, click offset. So this other feature is a way to speed up that process. So I'm going to undo those offsets. Now, if you click Select New, it will automatically, when we click Offset, deselect the one we started with and now select the new one. And if there's multiple shapes, it will also select multiple shapes as well. So now, automatically select set. Now you can just keep clicking Offset, as many times as you want. And you'll see you'll get a bunch of offsets going outwards from that shape. So that's a quick way to offset a lot of shapes at once, is by clicking on that offset button a bunch of times with that new selected. So those are the basics of the offset. And then, like I said, we also have the both option. So if we select that and go to both, you'll see the select new is grayed out. And that's because it will not select both of them. It'll only select one. So we cannot use that option. But when we click offset, now we will offset a line inwards and a line outwards, and that will be your new shape. So that is the offset tool. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe for more videos.